Here I have Google Pixel 7, and today I'm going to show you how to change photo resolution or photo size in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon, go to the more settings. Here you have to swipe a bit and you can find this camera photo resolution. You can set it to full resolution or to medium resolution. Uses less storage. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.